Hello again, guys. It's Marvin with JaguarTopRepair.com. By now, all of you guys should know that I work on all models between 1997 and 2016. But also what I wanted to tell you is this. If you're having problems with the convertible tops on your cars on these particular years, what I want to offer you is this. I not only give you great service at a great price, and I come to you, I will also give you 4 or 5 references. These are people whose cars that I have worked on, who I have been eyeball to eyeball with, that can vouch for my service, which I know is important to you guys. You want to make sure that your cars are in the right person's hands, and you basically want a fair deal. I will do that for you. So pick up the phone and give me a call at 888-317-9340. Again, 888-317-9340.